As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box.
Game on! With MiP Arcade, the self-balancing robot who brings the game room to your home. MiP Arcade responds to you. And holds your stuff too. He's one competitive bot who keeps you playing non-stop. Unlock over 20 plus games with the MiP Arcade app. With brain training games, test your memory, reflexes, or jump shot. Play one-on-one or challenge a friend. MiP Arcade has all of the moves to keep you entertained with endless fun and games.
Go, MiP, do the robot. Go, MiP, do the robot. Go, MiP, do the robot.
MiP Arcade. Play, unlock, and level up. MiP Arcade comes with one tray attachment, one hoop attachment, and 3 MiP Arcade basketballs.
Avishkar A-Bot is the 5-in-1 robotics and coding kit for beginners. Just build, code and play to make exciting robots. Using metal parts, motor and wheels, electronics, nuts and bolts, and a powerful programmable brain, you can make 5 different robots. Humanoid bot, artist bot, trolley bot, traffic control bot, and a dancer bot. Code them using a block-based online software or play with them using an Android or iOS app. Learn 21st century STEM skills of robotics, coding, creativity and problem solving that will be required for 80% jobs in the future. Avishkar A-Bot. Robots easy to build, easier to code.
Everybody loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium, or dark crust and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find the perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivers functions including bake only, and has a 13-hour delay start so your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot bakery-fresh artisan breads right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker.
This toy can be transformed into 3 shapes. So many building blocks accessories. In the blink of an eye, the real robot's assembly is complete. Cool look and smooth control. Whoa! Come, use your hands to make the robot into an SUV. 3 shapes are available. App programming brings more fun. Right. Let my sister join the game.
Introducing the Top Race Intelligent Remote Control Robot. This intelligent robot features LED lights and music.
Fire!
Use the remote control to fire circular foam discs. Here to imitate your voice.
Repeat after me. Repeat after me.
Included wireless remote control.
Go forward.
Sings 10 children's favorite songs.
Stories.
Reads
The
10 children's
Thirsty
favorite
Crow.
stories. Let him quiz you with
Answer
over
questions
40
with
math
A,
quizzes.
B, C button. How much is 6 divided by 3? A.
The Top
3,
Race
B,
Intelligent
2,
Remote
C,
Control Robot.
1.